Whoa. You watching that, Baby Steel? He was very interested in following it. Wow! So loud. You're silly. Why'd you do that? Rory. Can you push it over here so Baby Steel can see it? Thank you. You can let it drive. Oh, he got it! There it goes, the bee.
It's nice the way it changes direction.
Yeah.
It doesn't just get down that it can't go that way.
I see you getting dizzy. You're spinning so much. Did you pick your shirt out all by yourself today? Wow.
Feeling the Halloween vibes?
Whoa, Rory. That looks fun. What all do you have?
Everything you could ever want.
What do you do with them all?
What dresses?
Oh, they put the dresses. You dress them up.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. Did you get this for Christmas?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Nice.
I got this on 32.
On 32? Oh, okay.
Look, what's in her pocket?
What is it?
Look at her pocket. What is it? A little crab. A little crab in her pocket.
Crab bucket.
Cute.
Alright, Violet should be over soon. You have fun with her? Love you. I love you. You're a good mom.
No, Daddy, don't.
No, Daddy's done. Welcome back to another episode of Tuesday Podcast. Third Tuesday in a row. Just happened to have everyone around the table. Today we've got 5 bowls for 3 people. Most of them are Rory's.
And Rory's not eating out of hers, she's eating out of yours.
3.5 are Rory's. Did you have a fun time with Violet today? What all did you do? Swing? That's it? You just swing for 2.5 hours? You painted and colored? That sounds fun. What'd you paint?
Oh boy.
Painted a boy named David. What's that? Can you join the podcast? You want to be really big? Oh. You done eating lunch? Yep. You ready for a nap? You what? Read Battle Story? Okay, let's do that. We'll see you again next week for Tuesday podcast. Tuesday Teeny Podcast. Teeny Tuesdays? Tuesday.
Wednesday!
Wednesday!
We'll see you next Tuesday for Wednesday.
The little red car got a flat tire
Boom!
and woke the sleeping baby, who dropped her dolly and startled a crow, who flew up in the window and knocked over a pie
Whoops!
onto a little boy in the street below, so that he couldn't see where he was going,
Yeah!
and ran into the watermelon man,
Bang!
who dropped watermelons everywhere
Duty,
and brought a crowd of kids
duty.
and a swarm of bees.
Boo!
The kids ran away
Ho!
right past the milkman,
Whoa!
who tripped and dropped a milk bottle
That's
right as the little red car was passing.
right.
And the little red car got another flat tire.
Boom!
Not again. High five.
Good job, girlfriend.
Oh, Kayla. I have not seen this thing go yet. Ooh, that looks dangerous. Eek. I don't put my finger in that. How big of a splash is this going to make?
I don't know, I haven't used it yet.
All right, first time. Here we go. Oh. It's a little splashy. That's cool.
I think this bowl is too shallow though.
It makes weird noises.
For soups.
Yeah. What are we having?
Asian cauliflower and rice.
Asian what?
Cauliflower and rice.
Asian cauliflower and rice. Delish. I like when rice is included as a backup. It's always a safe play. Is that all the cauliflower you made?
Yeah.
Okay. Also a safe play. Hi. How are you? Hello. How was your nap? Did you sleep for mommy? Yeah. I love you. Gonna finish up my last thing or two of work. Wow, it's already 4.
Yeah, like dinner's ready.
Dinner's ready. Should I go get Rory? I'm gonna go get Rory, and then we'll go to gym later. I guess I got all my work in for the day. I'll just answer emails and do all that jazz tomorrow. It goes up and then goes up again. You got it, babe. You gotta swing. Oh, good try. We are back from the gym. Did I tell you I went out and got more kombucha earlier today? Oh yeah. Got a good ride in. Feels like the first good ride in a while. Like the first ride that I'm like, was good. I've been riding longer ones, so in the like 6 to 8 mile range, and I did a 3 mile today, so just as a benchmark, but I was able to push. I pushed real hard, so I got first in that. I mean, I guess you can see the score right there. But my last one, I was like 55, 60 seconds faster than the last time I rode this a month ago. So that's pretty good improvement, IMO. I'm not sure how far off I am from my personal best. You can see that too. But I mean, we're getting there. We'll get there. Other than that, we're gonna go. We'll see you tomorrow. Swim day. Love swim day. Good night.